Thikoni ni thutha wa kwihitithio gwa kamiti ya kwamura makamishna erwa kamiti ya ithurano na mihaka bururi-ini IEBC. Munene wa watho bururi-ini DORCAS NIAHINYIRIIRIE WIRUTIRI wa thirikari hari gukinyaniria kuumbwo gwa kamiti njeru ya IEBC.
When you talk about urgency, depends on what you're talking about. I think the government is committed to have the IEBC reconstituted and operationalized as soon as possible, and you have seen from the action of the government.
ODUOR gwetire ihenya riria thirikari yonanirie hari kwamura na kwihitithio kwa memba kamiti ya gucagura makamishna ta kionereria kia wirutiri uyu hari itemi-ini ria gutigirira bururi-ini wihariirie wega githurano kia mwaka wa 2027.
Immediately there was a court case that stayed the act of the action of the president from gazetting the committee that was going to appoint IEBC commissioners. Immediately that stay was uplifted. We went ahead and gazetted the committee. The committee has already advertised. I hope you have applied so that you be part of it.
Araragio kaunti-ini ya KISUMU kuria arathingatire AKENYA gwikia ihoya ria kuheo mawira maya ma makamishna na muikariri gitu wa kamiti ya IEBC handu-ini ha gutura mokagirira thirikari matekuheana njira cia kurehe kihonia kia mathina ma bururi.
Because you cannot always complain when you are outside. Now we have an advert. All Kenyans are open to apply. Please apply, go for the interview so that you can speak from inside, because there is an opportunity for all of us to be part of it.
Gerivotera Kameme TV, Jitagwo Mwaura, Wagunya.